Hi friends, in this video I am going to give you one setup which normally people want to use based on technical analysis. Okay, so nothing to do with Astro, but if you know the reversal dates as per the Astro Finance, then it will be easy for you. At that time, if these technical things which I am going to teach you, so that supports, then it will become most powerful setup for your trading setup. Okay, so you need to follow these two things. Okay, second thing is many times what happens, you will try to take a breakout or breakdown kind of thing. So at that time, false breakout will leading to end with a sideway market. Okay, for example, I will show you some of the examples. Okay, so it is easy for you to understand. Uh, First of all, I will start with today one stock was there. So, okay, let me tell you. What is that? 1 second. One stock given the breakout, then after that it becomes sideways. Okay, so I will check that. Okay, now you see Apollo Hospital, OFSS, Jubilant Food. Okay, now you see what happened, Jubilant Food. Okay, so this was yesterday's breakout, that is 13th August. Breakout, then sideways, breakout. Then many people will think that, after this, the price will go up. Okay, so hence they try to buy here. So after that, what happens? Price came down completely sideways. Okay, so like this, you should not trade. Okay, so that's what my point. Second thing, if you see the Adani port, okay, so 2 days back, I have given the stock somewhere here to buy 1700 call. Okay, not here, sorry. Okay, so here. So at this place, I have given 1700 call to buy and given some stop loss. The stop loss was hit here, and after that, price moved up to 1700. So it exactly reached the 1700. So this is how you will catch this kind of stocks. That is the main thing. Okay, so if you want to catch this kind of move, you need to have a bigger stop loss. And if you want to catch small move, then you need to have a smaller stop loss. So especially those who trade in options now. So if you are ready to take this kind of risk, then only options are good for you. Because once the market becomes sideways like this, the premium theta decay will kill your premium and it will take out all your money. Okay, so that's my main important thing which I wanted to communicate to you. Now, let me come to the setup here. So 15-minute time frame. So I am going to show you this Adani port only. If you want, I can take one example from US stock also. One I will take from Indian stock. Okay. Now you see the setup here. So what you need to do, first I will show you how to make a Gann box. Okay. So in this video, I am going to cover RSI as well as Gann box. How to use both the setup and the trade. Okay. So how to create the Gann box? First of all, you need to go here and select the Gann box. And you need to mark lower low and higher high. Okay, this is in 15-minute time frame. Instead of 15-minute, what I will do, I will take 4-hour time frame. Okay, so that I will get a better this thing, or 4-hour, because I want immediate result now. So I will go for 1-hour time frame. Okay, so higher time frame is always better. Okay, so now the setup is very clear now. So now you see this is the high and this is the low. Okay, so I will start from here. Okay, now you see here. This is the lower low form. This is the higher high form. Okay, so from here, I will draw the box. Okay, so I will keep the Gann box first level over here. Then I will drag the second, that 0.25 level to the top of this level. Okay, so 0.25, if I keep here, then the further moves will not come. So what I need to do, okay, only this much it will happen. After that, it won't give you the picture. Okay. So further again, I need to draw different Gann box. Okay. So how I will do that now? So I need to keep high over here. Okay. So this is 1-hour time frame and low over here. Okay. So this is how you need to form. So, or you can go for higher time frame. That is better. So I will go for 4-hour time frame. So I will remove these things. Because higher the time frames, you will get the clear picture. Okay, so which direction you need to trade. So based on this, what I will do now, so this is the higher high. This is the lower low form. Then this is the higher high and this is the lower low form. Okay, so this one also there. Okay. Now what I will do, I will mark from here high and this as a low as a 0.25. This 0.25 low. See here, 0.25 will come here. That's it. Now your Gann box is ready. Okay. What is Gann box? Okay, so understand first. What is this? This is the 0. This is 0.25, 3.82. These are the vertical lines which talks about the Fibonacci ratio, and horizontal lines also talks about the Fibonacci ratio. So you no need to draw each and every high and lows Fibonacci ratio. If you use the Gann box, it is easy for you to understand the exact Fibonacci level, when the reversal will come, when you need to trade, when you should not trade, what is the stop loss, what is the target, everything will come to know. Now, if you see here, the beauty of this Gann box, it has taken strong support over here. Okay, so I have made a bottom over here, na? But I told you, na, when I gave the call for Adani port, it hit the stop loss. This is what happened. If you have kept the patience here at this level, understanding this is the low, it tried to, it went below this level and sustained here. Okay, so exactly I have drawn. Okay, so I have not done any mistake here. Still, you see 1, 2, 3, this level. 3 bottom, 4 bottom. After that, zoom. Then exactly it came to this level and stopped. That is 0.75. Once this level breaks, it will come to 0.618. Then 0.50. From this again, it might come reverse. Okay. Or there is also possible that from here, it will come down here and again, it might reverse. Okay. So here you should not buy. Here you need to buy only once the breakout comes above this level. You would have taken long entry here and you would have made a good profit. Okay. This is one thing. Okay. Now, what you can add for this? So now bring this to 1 hour time frame. From 4 hour, I will bring to 1 hour. You see how many stop losses you try to go below. Okay. You can make this now one more support line as a swing low. So that next trade, now you know the exact stop loss where is for Adani port. Okay. That is 1642 will become a stronger stop loss for the Adani port. So keeping this thing in mind, you can buy on dips. So that's very simple. Now what I will do, I will go to indicator here. I will try to choose RSI. Okay, so RSI, anything you can use, relative strength index. So please note, this has to be a time frame. I'm going to show you the time frame you need to use. Okay. Now you see the setting here. Okay, sorry for the delay. Now what you need to, you go for setting here. So instead of chart, you use 1 hour time frame. Okay, got it? So other, you don't change anything. Style, use 70-30. You make this one as the red, 70 upper line, and keep a little bit thicker line so that it can be visible for you. This you should keep green, whichever color you want, you can choose. Okay. So that, yeah. So now setting is done. This is in 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now, what is the trading rule? Now, this 70 is a overbought, 30 is a oversold zone as per the technical analysis which any YouTuber can teach you. Okay. But how to trade this? That is very, very important. Okay. So let me show you the clear picture. Now the price, this is the RSI line. This is the moving average line. Yellow line is the moving average line. This line is the RSI line. Whenever the RSI goes below this oversold zone and comes above, it has to go below and come above this moving average. Okay, it has to cross like this. Okay, so this level becomes the perfect buy zone. Okay, this becomes the perfect buy zone. Okay, so then once the price goes below this, you need to exit again. Okay, again once this goes below and come above, this will become the perfect buy zone. Okay, so this is the buy zone. Now again you see here, this is the perfect buy zone over here. Okay, so you see here, it's very clearly indicative that when to buy the stock. Okay, so you should avoid trading the sideway market. Okay, when the RSI is between these both the lines here, so don't trade, don't take any trade. Okay, so once the price goes below and comes up, okay, it has to cross this moving average. Okay, it has to cross this moving average. Just not RSI not coming above this 30-40, it won't help you. It has to cross the moving average. So this is the perfect entry level to take an entry. Okay. Also use the previous support resistance as a stop loss and you would have traded this kind of profit. Okay, so here also it is a perfect setup. Here you would have traded a good profit. Okay, so this one setup, this is the two setup, there is no other setup. Okay, so this is one buy, this is second buy. Now how to take the short entry? Okay, short entry also, you see it has to go above and come below. 1 hour time frame RSI has to come below this level. Okay, once comes below this level, you see the perfect sell zone was here. From here to here you got a big profit. Okay, so you can see, and if you keep this as a stop loss and this high as a stop loss, you would have taken a short trade, you would have captured this kind of move. Okay, this is one example for Indian stock. Now I'm going to show you the same thing in see this 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 10-minute time frame, whatever the time frame you want to use, that is for this setup. Okay, not for this. This time frame will not change. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame, it is fixed. Now Gann box, you need to create in higher time frame, then come for smaller time frame. Because why smaller time frame? Because your stop loss will be smaller and your profit will be bigger. Now let me take an example of one of the US stock, that is I will take Amazon, because I don't know many of those stocks, hence I am taking example of Amazon. Okay, so for Amazon, so what I will do, I will take a time frame of 1 hour for creating the Gann box. Okay, so what I will do now, so instead of 1 hour, I think I will do 4 hour only, better. Okay, so very clear. So for box creation, I will be using this small chart so that it is easy for me. Now higher high, lower low, I need to find. Okay, so this is the lower low. Okay, from here to high, this 25 points should come over here. Okay, so like this I need to create. Getting my point? Now you see in forward, this is the low, this is the high, this is the box created here. Okay, so as long as the price is above 0.75, don't try to take the short entry. Okay, that is the first rule. As long as price is above the 0.75, don't try to take the short entry. Okay, and once the price comes below, you can take the short entry. Okay, so that it will reach this 0.6, at least 0.618 or 0.50, like that. This is for the Gann box rule. Okay, if I convert this into 15-minute time frame, if you want to take a trade using 15, here the perfect selling setup will be over here. The RSI went above the 70%. Okay, then came below the moving average. You see this flavor came below this level. So this is the perfect sell entry. Okay, below this level. See, if I mark this level over here, okay, let me mark this as a vertical line. Okay, now I have marked this. Now it is going below. Once it comes above this, then it will become buy. Okay, but now understand how to. Now you have a Gann box. You mark the low over here. So next day it was a gap down. Okay, you see it selling came next day, gap down. You know this is the stop loss. Whenever the price comes above near to this place, okay, you can take the short entry. Whenever the price comes near to this level, you need to take the short entry. Okay, so this is become a final stop loss. Keeping that stop loss, you would have captured this kind of big move in the Amazon. Okay, now still if you have a confusion, what you can do, you can use our RM Gann indicator, RM trading setup. So wait for the sell signal. Wait for in 15-minute time frame I'm showing you. So wait for the sell signal. Once sell confirm, you take the short entry. Short entry. Don't take buy here. Don't take buy here. Again short entry. Okay, so when you need to take buy here, when RSI is going up from the bottom, and see RSI was upside here, we took the short. When you are taking short from top, you should not buy. Okay, so once the bottom came, so then the price is going up, then you take the long entry. So this is for Amazon only short entry signal. This side you take short entry, this side you take short entry. Don't take the buy entry because this is above the Gann box level. Okay, that is 0.75. So hope this will make you understand how to use the setup. Now I will take one more example if you want. Apple. Okay. So in this again, I'm not going to use anything. So I'm going to use higher time frame. That is again 4-hour time frame. Okay. So keeping that 4-hour time frame in mind, what I will do, I will draw a Gann box from here to, okay, 1 second. Because this 0.25 has to be here. Okay, so not over here. This has to be here. So I need to delete this. Okay, so that's the reason I'll shrink this so that I get proper clear view. From here, 0.25 top, done. Okay, now come to 15-minute time frame. Okay, now you see where is the selling in the Apple. Okay, now you see this is the one place where RSI crossed above this zone and came below this EMI. Okay, but you would have taken the short entry. It is a short-lived, but this was not created here. We have created later because from here onwards we need to consider, because this was created before this. Okay, before the price action happened. After the price action happened, we created this. Now we need to look only at this place. Okay, to understand how you would have traded in real market. Now you see again the RSI went above this, came below this. This will become a perfect sell zone. Okay, what is that zone? After 0.25. Okay, once the high are touched. Okay, so this level, you look at the RSI level, you take the short entry and don't take any buy entry here. You would have taken buy entry here. Reason is because it is almost at 0.50. Okay, 0.50 above you take buy, and below that you take sell. Okay, this 0.50 works as a best support and resistance level as per the Fibonacci ratio. Even 0.382 also it becomes a buy zone. From normally price rejection comes, it goes up here and comes down. Okay, so exactly it is taking the support at 0.382. You see here, it is reversing. So here it is a sell on rise thing. You keep this as a stop loss and take the short entry. Looking at the RSI, if the RSI is above this level, you take buy. If RSI is below this level, you take the short entry. Okay, so the perfect entry was here, and from there it came down. So now I will check one more thing, that is Nasdaq index. You can check. Okay. So I'm not sure whether it gives the clear picture in India. Still, I will try. I will try in 1 hour time frame. So this already top created here, but I want, yeah. So from here to here, I will do. Now that's better. Okay. This is the bottom, and this is the top. Now the price went above this here. Okay, so what you need to do here? So you see RSI is also there. Here no short until unless the RSI comes below this moving average, you will not take any short entry. Okay, so convert this into a smaller time frame for your as per your intraday setup. Okay, now you see here this was a perfect sell here. RSI went above and came here, so you would have taken short entry. No trade after that. Okay, don't take any trade. So once the price comes below this, again you can take the short entry here in Nasdaq. Okay, so it's a overbought. So anytime you can take a short entry, wait for the short entry, take the short entry. Okay, and also you can use our indicator. Okay, so based on the indicator also you can trade in smaller time frame. So you know the risk, anytime it might fall. Okay, because it's a overbought. Okay, so that is the reason it is becoming sideways. So you would have taken long entry, exited, long entry, exited. That's it. Only two trade. Okay. So like this, if you get buy now, so buy on dips, but this price is away from this pink line. So you need to be very careful, because if the sharp fall comes, means it will come very sharp. Okay. So you need to be careful. And as long as the price is above these two lines, you can hold, and the price is away from this pink line, don't take any trade. Hope whatever the things which I have explained to you, that is very clear. So how to use the Gann box, how to use the RSI strategy effectively, and how to use the RM trading setup, the new indicator which I have given to you. With this, I have answered all your doubts. Okay, so in next video, if you have any doubts, I will make another video and I will send it to you. Thank you. Thanks for asking this. Okay.